instrument list. You have to purchase the drawing instruments from a bookstore available nearby your house. First instrument is Mini Drafter, company Omega. Just to mark, it is Mini Drafter. Omega company is written. It is a standard company. So what is the use of Mini Drafter? Mini means small, drafter means it is an instrument to draw the engineering drawing. Just to mark, it has two screws, first screw and second screw, first screw and second screw. First screw is called trap screw or holding screw. Second one is scale screw. And this is consists of long scale, small scale as well as a protractor. Just to mark clearly, long scale, small scale and protractor. Protractor both clockwise and anti-clockwise, 0 to 90 degree clockwise, 0 to 90 degree anti-clockwise. With the help of Mini Drafter, you can draw parallel lines, vertical lines, horizontal lines, inclined lines. So it is very easy to draw your drawing and you have to save your time and you will maintain accuracy. Second thing is your seed container or roll pack. Seed container or roll pack. This is the seed container or roll pack. You have to keep your drawing sheets inside it. It will give protection to your drawing sheet. Seed container. Next one is standard size drawing sheet. Standard size drawing sheet is to mark what is available in our bookstore. Two types of drawing sheets are available. One is thin and brownish. Second one is thick and whitish. So always you bring thick and whitish drawing sheet. There is standard size drawing sheet available in the local market. Fourth one is your drawing kits, company Omega. In a packet, 4 drawing clips are available. It may be stainless steel or plastic. Next item is your large size 45 degree set square with protractor, company Omega. Just to mark, 45 degree set square, company Omega, large size, and also it consists of a protractor. There is no need to purchase separate protractor. Next item is large size 30 degree, 60 degree set square with French curve. Just you mark. This is 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree. So the name is 30 degree, 60 degree large set square with the French curve. So what is the use of a French curve? Generally French curves are used to draw different engineering curves. Item number 7, large size plastic scale, that is 30 centimeter. Large size plastic scale. Why plastic scale? Is transparent. Next item is pencils. Just to mark, 1H pencil 2 piece, 2H pencil 2 piece, HB pencil 2 piece. Either it is Nataraj or Camlin or Apsara, you may purchase, no problem. No microtic pencils, normal pencils, plain pencils, 6 piece pencils you have to purchase. So, large size bow compass, company Omega. Inside that packet, this lid stick is free with this compass. Next item is large size non-dust eraser, either Nataraj or Camlin. Large size non-dust eraser. Next item is pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener, you have to sharpen your pencil with a pencil sharpener. And lettering template. Lettering template, we can say local language stencil, 10 mm size and 5 mm size, company Omega. Omega is written here. So next one is circle template, just to mark circle template, company Omega. It consists of different circles having different dia, which are not possible with the help of bow compass, which circles just to mark very small circles. With the help of circle template, you can draw the circles. That is the main function of circle template. Next one is sandpaper, 80 mm size. You have to sharpen your pencil with the help of your sandpaper. Next is plain and long copy. What we will discuss, you will clearly write in your copy. It is a plain copy. Then large size white handkerchief. You have to place your white handkerchief on the drawing sheet and you will start your activity. And that lead stick, I already told you, in that packet, with the help of bow compass, that lead stick is available. When you purchase your bow compass, just to mark whether lead stick is available or not. So these are all the drawing instrument lists. When you purchase all the drawing instruments, then only you will proceed next. Next, just to mark, I already told you 3 pencils. 1H pencil 2 piece, 2H pencil 2 piece, HB pencil 2 piece. I use my 3 different pencils. Second one is, where I use white chalk, you use your 2H pencil. Where I use pink chalk, use your HB pencil. So we use 3 different pencils, and this is my large size non-dust eraser, and this is my drawing set. So accordingly you proceed. Then we will discuss about classification of pencils. Basically pencils are classified into 2 categories. One is your hard grade pencil, second one is your soft grade pencils. All H grade pencils are hard grade pencils, and all B grade pencils are soft grade pencils. So 1H means degree of hardness of the pencil is 1. Similarly 9H means degree of hardness is 9. Accordingly 1B means degree of softness is 1. 8B means degree of softness is 8. So HB pencil means it is a combination of both hard grade and soft grade pencils. Generally people say it is a hard and black pencil. HB, combination of 2 characters, hard grade as well as soft grade. We can say hard and black pencils. So these are the classification of pencils. Then after that we will discuss what are the various uses of pencils. Means where you use 1H pencil, where you use 2H pencils, and where you use HB pencils. If I say what is the difference between 1H and 9H? 9H is 9 times harder than 1H, and 8B and 1B, 8B is 8 times softer than 1B pencil. Clear? Okay, thank you.